I think it's huge for enterprise. I think if you were to ask me about consumer side, I think yes, you could talk about fitness, and we could talk about health, and there's a whole range of other things. But when you get into the enterprise space, it's just so exciting. If you think about doctors wearing Google goggles, and I know it's Google Glass, but I think it actually needs to be goggles so they don't fall off, or engineers working on something and having information come up in front of them when they're trying to use their hands. Anyone who's needing to use their hands doing a job, for them to be able to have this information and say, Google, tell me how to do this, or show me the latest manual on this, or whatever it might be. And I mean, I think for assisted shopping as well, you know, having retailers and flight attendants know who you are when you're walking in and have all the information that you need. I think it's a huge area. I mostly personally think in the kind of logistics engineering side, in hospitals, there's an enormous amount of benefits to be gained by being able to continue working and still have data that you need right in front of you, or in an easy manner where you don't have to be constantly looking for your phone. I think a lot of that is about user experience, because you know, it's all about, again, one of the things we've been talking to lots of people about today is the consumerization of IT. And you know, people have been banding this phrase around for 4 years now, 3-4 years. But I think the key thing is that people are so used to technology in their day-to-day lives. What's essential is for businesses to engage with their employees, understand what the employees need, understand how mobility generally can impact processes, can impact job flows, and everything about how they work and how they can work in a better, easier manner, exactly like Steve Wozniak spoke at Apps World about last year. And as soon as they start to understand that and they work with the employees on giving them the best experience, making it as easy as possible to use, simple tools that improve their day-to-day working lives, they'll use it. I think key for me today has been looking at the enterprise use cases for this and understanding, well, how can giving employees access to data, how can giving doctors access to data based on their micro-location, how can this help? How can this help processes? How can it help individuals speed up their time? And it's actually amazing, some of the things that we're starting to work on already, and some of the return on investments that we're starting to talk about. You know, most of it is proof of concepts right now, but it's just so exciting when you think about how location is going to impact what mobile can do and how the whole Internet of Things is going to take it to this whole new level. It's just, you know, it's the most exciting time to work in this space.